you here for story time? If you're here for story time, clap your hands. If you're here for story time, clap your hands. If you're here for story time, finger plays and games and rhymes. If you're here for story time, clap your hands. I think maybe she should have said pause. Come join us for story time online. Today's story is The Duckling Gets a Cookie. I love the duckling. The pigeon and the duckling get together. It's always pretty funny. I wonder what kind of cookies are your favorite? Mine are chocolate chip. And I like putting in cranberries and coconut and things like that in my chocolate chip cookies. We're going to make some at home today. Enjoy the story. The Duckling Gets a Cookie? Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. I do not like the look of that title. The duckling gets a cookie? Hello, Scooty, Scoot, Scoot. May I have a cookie, please? Oh, thanks. Floppy, flop, flop. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So you got a cookie with nuts just by asking. Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I have asked for a walrus. Right now, I'm asking why. Why? Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug. Or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I asked to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No! It's not fair. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. What? You're giving me that cookie? With the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. That is one cool duckling. Yes, sir. Bye. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. The end. I like that story much better than The Duckling Gets a Bath. It made me think about cookies. I wonder what your favorite kind of cookie is. Can you guess mine? Yep. You know there's acorns in it, don't you? Acorn, flour, chocolate chip cookies. Yep, you can make flour from acorns. It's really yummy. Maybe you'll get the chance at home to bake while we're off daycare and school. I'm going to too. Let's make some, Kathleen. Okay, Corny, we'll do some baking.